92. Ada tak? Ada. How? Ow! Mana sir? Mana sir? Tak shot. Let's proceed to the next level. Next is R422. R422. Hello, very good morning to you. Ganda. Proceed to the next number. J. 049 40 W. 49 Highness. 49 first. So W. If now we're gonna proceed next. J027. J027. Hi po. Aray. Shake that dick.
Si Joan! Baliw talaga
R428.
kala ko si Joan.
028. R424.
Mida!
Yeah. Carry on to the next number. R425. 55. R425. Thank you. R455.
15.
Minum air. If ada extra bagi aku please. 003. Shake that, shake it. Carry on. J021. J0. Place. Fifth place. Stand a chance to win. Apa tu? Kasih tengok dulu. Show them first. Listen to your number very carefully. Your number is W036. Congratulations, Aaron Leon!
Para ano, yan ba yung...
Kilometer kategori perempuan. We're gonna continue right away, bagan. Our fourth place. Ya Allah, berkeparabangan. Fourth place. Your time is 47 minutes to W041. Congratulations, Natasha Sir! Congratulations, win $100 of $100. Congratulations, fourth place. We're gonna carry on to our top 3. Tempat ketiga bagi kategori wanita 10 km. Nombor badan. Waktu dulu 44 minit 34 saat. Congratulations Miss W029 Aida Shazwana Izadi. $200 untuk tempat ketiga. Manakala tempat kedua pula, second place, masa sebanyak 43 minit 42 saat. Bagi kategori wanita 10 km. Nombor badan W057. Congratulations Linda Chen. Congratulations, second place. Linda Chen, you win a prize of $300. Ladies and gentlemen, waktu yang kita nanti-nantikan, champion, pemenang bagi 10 km kategori perempuan, waktu sebanyak 43 minit 32 saat. Let's not waste our time.
43 minutes.
Your number is W056. Congratulations, champion Pasiake!
Maybe next year.
Total sessions, good job. Boleh tiba-tiba Habibi touch my body. For all of the winners! Congratulations, 5th place, 4th place, 3rd place, 2nd place, and our champion. Again and again, we like to remind you, please claim your prize on the Monday. Lagu ni boleh ni bang. Welcome him right away. 4th place, J009. Congratulations, Muhammad Zain bin Haji Matusin.
It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them all. Let's get
Ito sebanyak 36 minit 03 saat. Let's welcome him right away. Third place, J101 Muhammad Hakim Darwish. We've been waiting for these people for our second and champion. We're now with 5th, 4th and 3rd. Proceed to the second place. Masa sebanyak 34 minit 28 saat. Second place, J085. Congratulations, Ruzaini Mahadi. We also been waiting for our champion. Juara bagi 10 km kategori lelaki. Masa sebanyak 33 minit 35 saat. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him the loudest scream possible for our champion. Let's welcome J116 Danish Iska.
It's all good, just turn me on.
Ini yung last night kami kung pwede. Oo. Last night. Oh, di pa niya. Tatapos ang aming funhan dito sa JW. At sa mga nanalo, congratulations!